Starting around 16 October 2023, Jasmy coin in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. Jasmy for the most part has a kind of all-out market cap of $163,481,408, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,781,176 in an essentially huge manner. This sort of makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, by and large positioning at 152 in the digital currency market, or so they most certainly thought. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin certainly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a very large manner? Is Jasmy coin in all things considered, wise speculation are really worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally large manner? Will Jasmy cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking? These in every way that really matters are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost explicitly is supposed to for the most part cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.005, the normal by and large least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to basically be $0.004, which really is very huge. Besides, Jasmy can really arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.005, or so they especially thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which generally is very huge. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.004, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jasmy value figure September 2023. The Jasmy coin estimate for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may basically arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.004, with an extremely least cost of around $0.004, showing how generally is Jasmy coin an excellent venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which essentially is genuinely huge. Discussing the truly normal value, Jasmy can really stretch around $0.004 for September, or so they essentially thought. Jasmy coin value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the very greatest cost for Jasmy coin could basically stretch around $0.005, showing how besides Jasmy can really arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.005. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 essentially is $0.004, with a kind of typical cost of $0.004, which in every practical sense is very huge. Jasmy value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin for the most part is supposed to by and large arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. The Jasmy cost could essentially arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.005, with the especially normal cost around $0.004 in a kind of enormous manner. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin basically is by and large anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, which truly shows that Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2023. As per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost essentially is supposed to in every practical sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.005, the normal sort of least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $0.004, which most certainly is very huge. The Jasmy cost could arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.005, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner. Jasmy coin truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been most certainly diminished by 0.01% in its genuinely current worth, which sort of demonstrates the way that the Jasmy cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.005, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023 amazingly. Assuming we especially think about the kind of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap explicitly is additionally down, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin fundamentally is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which certainly is very critical. The Jasmy in a real sense is down to nearly 6.42% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, which certainly demonstrates the way that the Jasmy cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.005, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past lovely few days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for genuinely in any case, we don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, or so they basically thought. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy sort of diminished by 51.376%, disposing of an astounding truly normal amount of $0.004 from its genuinely current worth, sort of additional appearance, how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Jasmy coin for the most part be really worth in 2023 amazingly? This unexpected down basically implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be an especially decent most certainly purchase an open door for by and large fast speculation, which sort of is very huge. The 90 days cost change truly is near 36.37%, and the cost for the most part coursed from a very least kind of typical cost of $0.005 to kind of greatest truly normal cost of $0.005 in the beyond 90 days, in every way that really matters, further appearance how Jasmy coin truly is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins. Or so they sort of thought. Jasmy coin sort of is somewhere near 7.44%, with the essentially greatest truly normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.003, and the kind of least sort of normal cost of truly was around $0.003 in extremely beyond 4 months. Exhibiting how the 90 days cost change by and large is near 36.37%, and the cost in a real sense, circled from an especially least kind of typical cost of $0.005 to truly most extreme exceptionally normal cost of $0.005 in the beyond 90 days, especially further appearance how Jasmy coin especially is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins. Which truly is very huge. Jasmy coin value gauge 2023 facts. What will be Jasmy coin for the most part worth in 2023 in every practical sense, large way?